Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Timesavers Speedsander 37-inch wide belt. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machines you'd like to sell, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often, as we do not list machines until they've been thoroughly cleaned and checked. Again, this is a Speedsander by Timesavers, 37-inch width, small shop owned. As a matter of fact, his shop was about 800 square feet, single user. He simply retired to a condo. As you can see, it is as clean as you would expect coming from that kind of environment. The conveyor's never been dressed. It doesn't have any nicks or blemishes. What's nice about it is it does have variable speed. There is a VFD in here. This is a single phase machine. Main motor is 7.5 horsepower, half horsepower on that feed. Everything functions as it should. Again, if we step back, you can see it's just in excellent condition. We do have the door switch off currently, just so you can see it run with the door open. Again, look how clean it is inside. It does have a 4-inch drum. That drum is nick and defect free. It also does have an 1.5 inch platen. You do have a digital height readout. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. This doubles as the reset. And you can come in and this one spot is simply dirt. Again, there's no nicks. You do have your over travel safety here. So when you engage that, obviously it's going to turn everything off. And again, there's no nicks. This is just a little bit of dirt. Again, a really nice, clean, small shop owned Timesavers. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.